Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, tires, rear performance, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.